Good.
Yeah, I'm sharing my screen also. So recently I'm joined in a company as a SAP FICO consultant, as a senior consultant. I'm working as a, so past 10 years also SAP, I have been working simultaneously for SAP FICO. So yeah, in next 1 hour, I'll try to cover, we'll discuss about the SAP FICO. So yeah, so coming SAP. So what is SAP? We'll start from here. SAP stands for, because so most of the members are actually not aware. They call SAP. Actually, we, as per terminology, we don't call as SAP. So that is coming a different meaning. So SAP stands for System, Application and Products in Data Processing. SAP stands for System, Application and Products in Data Processing. This is the abbreviation for SAP. So FICO, FI stands for Financials, CO stands for Controlling. So actually, what is SAP? So for example, so main, for example, if we talk about with someone, they will definitely ask, what is SAP? Why SAP? This kind of questions they raise. So SAP, it's one ERP. See, for example, it's a one kind of question. So generic questions, it is a answer. It's a ERP. Okay, then they will ask, what is ERP? It's a enterprise
Resource planning.
resource planning. So because most of the members already aware, because of they are already working in SAP as a end users. So they post business transactions. So the day-to-day transactions and everything they post. So about already SAP, about SAP, they know. But why SAP? This is another question. Okay, there are many and ERPs are available in market. So in global level also. But why only we use SAP? That is one question.
Because because it will integrate between different modules. For example, sales and AP AP for everything, supply chain management and controlling.
Sai,
In
yeah,
SAP,
I understand.
yeah.
Sai, sorry to interrupt. So, please, if you don't mind, please listen, bear with me for 1 hour. I understand you people are so aware about few things. I mean, you people day to day work, right? So the terminology and everything you people are aware. So as per my understanding, it will helpful for you. So coming to others, you people will understand better than them, so you will grasp immediately. So the main thing is, please try to concentrate in this demo, so it will helpful, because whatever you know, that is fine, but try to learn as much what I tell.
Okay, Santosh.
Okay, so because why SAP? Because it's a user friendly. Because it's user friendly, everyone can understand, even business also, they can easily post the transaction, day-to-day business transaction, easily post day-to-day business transactions. They can download reports as per their requirement. So yeah, it's actually SAP is a German product. So it's a Germany company which is incorporated in the year 1972. SAP is a Germany product. Incorporated in the year 1972. So we'll go to SAP. So meanwhile, after that, once again, we'll come and discuss about. So this is SAP server. So I'm just double clicking on. You need to start. So yeah, enter your password. So actually, in our system, it's a demo system, right? We only need to start this system, this server, because if we are working in a organization, no need to do this one. This is only purpose for practicing purpose. So we need to check, we need to refresh. It takes time to uh, start the system, because here it will appear as a wait. So we need to wait here. So meanwhile, we can discuss many things. Yeah. In FICO, there are many modules. For example, so we'll cover one by one. So for example, main basic settings. GL. General ledger accounting. Third, yeah, accounts receivables. Four, accounts payable. Asset accounting. So we have banking also. These are the FA in FA module. In CO, controlling, cost element accounting, cost center accounting, so in this course we'll cover these topics: internal orders, product costing, POPA, profitability analysis. Okay, there are other topics also there which is not part of FSO, like validation and substitution. Next, FA/MM integration, FA and MM integration, FA and SD integration, new GL also will try to cover new GL concepts, splitting and parallel accounting will cover new GL, GST, and the same way. Meanwhile, while doing this, all discussing about all these topics, we'll do resume preparation also. And job supporting will help on it. Yeah. So meanwhile, our server started. So everybody already aware about this SAP logon screen. So we need to give the user ID or password to enter into the SAP screen.
It is S/4HANA, right?
It is ECC. So yeah, good point. In S4 HANA also we'll discuss. Good point. Yeah. S4 HANA also we'll discuss. So the server, but this server is not S4 HANA. This is ECC. So I
Okay.
will explain. See, I will explain about the differences. What is S4 HANA and what is ECC? See, S4 HANA, there is no difference. I mean to say, same screens. See, S4 HANA also same screens. For example, if we use, for example, if we enter, if you go this T code, everything is the same, but few changes are there. But why S4 HANA? It's the latest version. For example, we used uh, Android phone. Few additionally, they have added some features. That what are the changes happen? We'll try to cover and we'll explain. So interview point of view also will explain. See, directly, okay, you can go to S4 HANA, but it's a big ocean. If you go directly S4 HANA also, fine, but it takes lot of time to understand, learn, practice, and the same way, because already you people are working, right? So working professional. But as per my experience, better to learn first ECC. So over the period, the changes, what are the changes, we'll try to explain. And because if you go, if you prepare the SAP also, if you prepare resume for S4 HANA directly, they will ask uh, questions from ECC also, because it is tough directly if you try to search job with S4 HANA. So as per my experience, my understanding and experience, uh, better learn ECC first, because if you know S4 HANA, definitely you must have known ECC also. So the who are the people working for S4 HANA, they are expertise in ECC. So you must learn ECC. That is the main purpose. We are starting. So yeah, yeah. So you people already were working. See, for example, I'll try to open. There are many T codes.
FS10N.
Yeah. So yeah, we'll go one by one. This is organizational structure. Just I prepared. And this is SAP landscape. So development server, we have three servers: development server, quality server, production server. So production server. So once I tell, definitely you people recall. Production client means live system. So our day-to-day transaction will post it, right? So the day-to-day transactions post from this server. So prior to that, that is actually end user there. So, but okay, but as a consultant, what we do, we'll go from here to here. Before coming to our production system, quality client is there. Quality server we call. Okay, here what they do the testing, pre-production, prior to production. So this terminology is different completely for SAP consultant, because once we see in a SAP posting day-to-day transactions posting, we call as a production client. Prior to that, it coming from testing client. That prior to that, development. So it is the first initial stage. So development. So the developers or SAP consultants do the customization. So see, for example, if you post any kind of entry, we'll show the, so this is entries day-to-day posting. Already I have created one company code. It's a Adani Cements, just have created. So it's a period April, May, June. It's a third. Currency INR. Just. So I have created many GL accounts. For example, inventory or expenses GL, better will take expenses GL account. Rent or salary, rent will 12,000. So it's completely testing purpose. So 50. Expenses accounted to cash. Yeah, so this is end users they do for postings. So before end coming to production, the testers do the testing in quality. Before that production, so it stages, it's where it starts from the customization point. So we'll learn the customization over the period. So see, GLs here, we need to create the GLs. That is one point. So yeah, just it is, we have only 10 minutes. That's 10. So from here to, we need to do the customization. We'll move to client. So here we cannot post any entries. Once we tested, once we move to production server only, we can post the entries. See, here we cannot do any changes because end users, you are also experienced. So we cannot have the any kind of controls or access. We don't have any access to changes. So only we can do the changes in development server only. So once we do the customization in this system, we move to quality server. So using transaction code SC09 SC or SC10. Once we post, we can move to here. After testing everything done, directly we can move to production server. So see, something they found. So after moving to production, 1 month must be given to the support to production. So they are getting some issues, errors while posting entries. The main objective, what it is, our main objective is posting entries. We'll try to post, we'll try to create one company code. So whatever we see, this is easy access screen, SAP easy access screen. Only end users have the access. So SPR will go to SPR. This is implementation guides. Developers only can have the access. Enterprise structure. Definition. Financial accounting. So company code. For example, ADN Wilma. One new company code I'm creating. Adani Wilma. It's a new company for Adani. So for example, Hyderabad, India. So company code is mandatory to post any entries. This is main important. Company code is mandatory. English. Company. Adani. Wilma. So we can give all the basic details as per company norms, all the required details, company phone number, address, everything we can give it. So this is request number is, this is called TR, transport. So this number is important. So where it is saving to some other company. So I need to create own request. Create here. Adani Wilmar. So it's only demo purpose. That is the reason I am not giving any notes or anything. Just I have material also will share with you. So why the importance is, see, I have created a company code, Adani Wilmar. We need to select here. We need to see Adani Wilmar. I am creating a company code here. So that is a developer job, SAP consultant job. So see, in Adani, there are many many company codes are there. Just I have created one company code. So we'll try to, so this company code, right? See, earlier I can post it. I posted with ADNC. So I am changing the company code. I have given ADNW. Yeah, prior to that, sorry. Once you created, right? So it's a development. Yeah, it is a interlink. Just that is reason I explained. That is a development server. So once you do, you need to transport also from here to using this T code SC10. So from here transport, from here to quality we can move transport in this T code. That is the main purpose actually. I told you. So we have very less time, 5 minutes. We'll try to close it. Yeah, That is, so here customization point, see what my intention is, customization point is do the SAP developers, SAP clients. Just a minute. So here the final objective is end users smoothly they run the business, day-to-day business. You are aware. So end user in business, there are many thousands of transactions, thousands of business transactions. So the main objective end users must be, they can be posted. See, here we cannot post here. I'll show you earlier company code ADNC can be posted, but I'm giving ADNW, we cannot post. See, there we are getting the error. Why we are getting the error means for company code ADNC, already I customized, because what are the required fields required, already I have created the basic settings point of view. For example, field status group, posting period variants. So what are the basic things required, that in basic settings I have done it. So that is the reason I can post it, because in SAP is a semi-finished goods, like based on business, our business requirement, we need to. Sai, can you please mute? Hello, Sai, please. Prasad, Sai Prasad. Hello, can you hear me all?
Yes, Santosh, we can.
Yes.
Yeah. So we have less time. So in organization structure, everything we require, like a company in FA organization structure, company code, profit center, segments, business area,